This is a car seat that will ensure your child remains safe and comfortable while travelling for many years. This is XPEDITION. The guarantee of effective protection is confirmed by European type approval and positive crash test results at the reputable TAS International Institute. Why XPEDITION? Because I know that this baby will have the best protection and ride in comfort for many years. What I love about XPEDITION is the simple, intuitive installation. The car seat is integrated with a sturdy, stable base. It also has the ISOFIX system, as well as a top tether strap. In cars without ISOFIX, you can also use it by securing your child with the car's seatbelt. Your little passenger is kept secure by the comfortable 5-point safety harness. Thanks to the Easy Spin 360 function, it's really easy to place your little one in the car seat. XPEDITION provides maximum protection for your youngster. The durable shell and deep side protect system create a sturdy shield that protects from every side. Your baby's head and neck is safeguarded by the H-guard system. And the soft head restraint insert provides additional stability for little passengers. When they grow out of it, you can easily remove it. It's the same with the one under the back. Thanks to the Easy Grow system, you can adjust the height of the head restraint and internal safety harness to your growing youngster in just one move. It's time to change the direction of travel and adjust the angle of incline of the car seat for greater comfort. Once your little one grows out of the internal safety harness, you just put it away. At this stage, you'll secure your youngster with the car's seatbelts using the convenient belt guides. The wide seat always provides 100% comfort, and the removable cover allows you to keep the car seat in good condition for many years. Let's go!
Kinderkraft. Easy with kids.